Just a few hours away lies the diverse pleasures and gorgeous coastlines of the Canaries. Located in a fantastic area, this beach offers the escape you've been looking for. With a restaurant right on the beach, there's no reason to leave this slice of paradise. But there's more to do than just sunbathing. Go out for a surf and ride some of the nicest swells around. Make sure you don't miss the nearby attractions. You know you could do with a good holiday, so go on and treat yourself to one.